Hello traders, and welcome to the London Forex Broadsheet's daily wrap of the markets for Thursday, October 8th. The euro tested the 1.4800 area twice during the US session, but until now, the euro was unable to find the necessary momentum to move higher. Moreover, the euro came very close to the LFB R3 at 1.4820 and, at the same time, very close to the high of the current year, which is situated in the 1.4850 area. If the S&P futures manage to stay in the green, a test of this area cannot be excluded over the next few trading sessions. For most of the day, the pound was heading higher and testing the LFB R3 at 1.6110. Thursday represented the first day in a little more than a week in which the pound was able to develop and sustain a trend, something that is likely to be extended over the upcoming period. The pair will see resistance in the 1.6135 area, which is also close to the 20-day moving average, and again at the 1.6470 area. Meanwhile, support is seen in the 1.5780 level. The Aussie found the strength to break above the LFB R3 at 0.9035, something that happens very rarely. The Aussie set a new high for the current year for the third consecutive day, something that denotes the strength of this pair. Since the year had started, the Aussie has gained nearly 29%, which is an extraordinary performance for a currency pair. The CAD declined for the fourth time out of the last 5 days, helped by the gains seen in the commodities market. Most market participants say that the CAD has a very strong momentum right now, and in a relatively short period of time it will reach parity with the greenback. The Swissy bounced from the 20-day moving average at 1.0310 in the early Asian session, and since then the pair has moved lower for most of the time. On the daily chart, the Swissy is trading below all 4 of the important moving averages and is very close to the low of the current year in the 1.0170 area. The pair will likely encounter some resistance at the 1.0360 and 1.0550 areas. The yen moved in a very chaotic fashion during Thursday's trade, having a range of only 50 pips. This comes after the yen traded in a very volatile nature over the last few days, even though the rest of the market barely moved. For now, the pair is trading very close to the low of the current year at 88, which is something that represents a major concern for the Japanese financial market.
All contents of the LFB are for informational purposes only and should not be used as a replacement for research by an individual investor, trader, or licensed investment professional. Neither the LFB nor any of its affiliates shall be liable for any errors, omissions, or for any actions taken in response to the information contained herein. We hereby make no representations or warranties regarding the accuracy of any information contained in this broadcast or on our site. Forex market trading involves special risks and may not be suitable for everyone. Each investor or trader should assess their financial situation and risk tolerance before proceeding. Copyright 2007, LFB Services LLC. All rights reserved.